Think flying is dangerous? Think again. Flying has always inspired a mix of awe and fear. But what if I told you it's the safest way to travel? Every year, over 100,000 flights operate without incident every single day. This means that millions of passengers reach their destinations safely, enjoying the convenience and speed that air travel offers. The aviation industry has made incredible strides in ensuring that flying is one of the safest modes of transportation available. Statistically, you're more likely to be struck by lightning than be involved in a plane crash. This might sound surprising, but the odds of being struck by lightning are about 1 in 1.2 million, while the odds of being in a plane crash are even lower. The rigorous safety protocols and advanced technology in aviation play a significant role in these impressive statistics. In fact, flying is over 19 times safer than driving. When you consider the number of car accidents that occur daily, the safety of air travel becomes even more apparent. The meticulous maintenance of aircraft, the extensive training of pilots, and the sophisticated air traffic control systems all contribute to making flying extraordinarily safe. So why is flying so safe? Let's dive deeper. The aviation industry is constantly evolving with continuous improvements in safety measures and technology. Pilots undergo rigorous training and simulations to prepare for any possible scenario. Air traffic controllers work tirelessly to manage the skies and ensure that every flight operates smoothly. Additionally, advancements in aviation technology, such as enhanced navigation systems and more reliable aircraft designs, have significantly reduced the risks associated with flying. All these factors combined make air travel one of the safest ways to get from point A to point B. From autopilot systems to weather radar, airplanes are equipped with cutting-edge technology designed to tackle any challenge. These systems are the backbone of modern aviation, ensuring that flights are not only efficient but also incredibly safe. The autopilot system, for instance, can handle most of the flight, allowing pilots to focus on monitoring and decision-making. This technology can adjust the plane's course, altitude, and speed with precision. Airplanes can detect turbulence, storms, and even bird activity from miles away, ensuring smooth and safe journeys. The weather radar system is a marvel of modern engineering, capable of scanning vast areas of the sky to detect any potential hazards. This allows pilots to make informed decisions about altering their flight path to avoid bad weather, ensuring passenger comfort and safety. Additionally, these systems can predict turbulence, giving the crew ample time to prepare and inform passengers. On the ground, thousands of air traffic controllers work tirelessly to guide pilots safely through crowded airways. These professionals are the unsung heroes of aviation, constantly monitoring flight paths, weather conditions, and aircraft positions. They communicate with pilots to provide real-time updates and instructions, ensuring that every flight operates smoothly. Their role is crucial in managing the complex web of air traffic, preventing collisions and coordinating takeoffs and landings. The synergy between advanced technology in the cockpit and the expertise of air traffic controllers on the ground creates a seamless and safe flying experience for everyone. Commercial pilots go through rigorous training, including mastering emergency scenarios in state-of-the-art simulators. These simulators replicate real-life conditions with incredible accuracy, allowing pilots to experience and react to a wide range of potential issues they might face during actual flights. From engine failures to severe weather conditions, pilots are trained to handle it all. They're trained to handle multiple failures simultaneously, ensuring your safety no matter what. This includes dealing with complex scenarios where several systems might fail at once, requiring quick thinking and precise actions. The training is designed to build confidence and competence, so pilots can make the right decisions under pressure. And it's not just pilots. The cabin crew also undergo extensive training to ensure they can manage any situation that arises during a flight. This includes everything from medical emergencies to evacuations. They are taught to stay calm and collected, providing clear instructions and assistance to passengers. Cabin crew are trained to manage emergencies and keep passengers safe. Their training covers a wide range of scenarios, ensuring they are prepared to act swiftly and efficiently. Whether it's a fire on board, a sudden loss of cabin pressure, or a medical emergency, the cabin crew are equipped with the skills and knowledge to handle it all, ensuring the safety and well-being of everyone on board. Every aircraft undergoes thousands of hours of inspection and maintenance. From the engines to the tiniest bolts, nothing is left unchecked. Planes are built with redundancy, backup systems for critical components, ensuring there's always a plan B. Aviation thrives on a culture of safety. Procedures are constantly updated to reflect the latest knowledge and technology. From mandatory black boxes to enhanced security measures, every lesson learned makes flying even safer. Flying isn't just the fastest way to travel, it's also the safest. So, the next time you board a flight, take a deep breath and enjoy the view. The sky has never been safer.